Barking is a natural behavior for dogs, but excessive barking can be a problem for both the dog and the owner. It can be frustrating and annoying for those around the dog, and it can also cause stress and anxiety for the dog. If your dog is barking excessively, it's important to try to identify the cause and address the underlying issue. There are several strategies and techniques that you can use to help stop your dog's incessant barking, including exercise, mental stimulation, positive reinforcement, ignoring the barking, and using a bark collar as a last resort. It may take time and patience, but with the right approach, you can help your dog stop barking excessively and enjoy a more peaceful household. There are a few tips from the dog whisperer, Cesar Millan, that you can try to help stop your dog's incessant barking. Here are a few things to try. Number 1. Identify the cause of the barking. Is your dog barking because they are anxious, bored, or trying to alert you to something? Understanding the reason for the barking can help you address the underlying issue and stop the barking. Number 2. Exercise your dog. Make sure your dog is getting enough physical and mental exercise. This can help reduce excess energy and help prevent boredom, which can lead to excessive barking. Number 3. Provide mental stimulation. Provide your dog with puzzle toys and other activities that challenge their brain and keep them engaged. Number 4. Use positive reinforcement. When your dog is quiet, be sure to praise and reward them. This will reinforce the behavior you want to see. Number 5. Ignore the barking. If your dog is barking for attention, try ignoring them. When they stop barking and are quiet, then give them the attention they want. Number 6. Use a bark collar. As a last resort, you may want to consider using a bark collar. These devices use sound, vibration, or a mild electric shock to deter barking. It's important to use these collars with caution and consult a professional trainer or behaviorist before using one. Number 7. Train your dog to be quiet on command. Teaching your dog a quiet, or enough, command can be a useful tool for stopping barking. Start by saying the command and rewarding your dog for being quiet when they stop barking. Over time, gradually increase the amount of time your dog needs to be quiet before you give them a reward. Number 8. Use distractions. If your dog starts barking, try to distract them with a toy or a game. This can help interrupt the barking behavior and give your dog something else to focus on. Number 9. Use white noise. Playing white noise or gentle music in the background may help drown out sounds that trigger your dog's barking. Number 10. Seek professional help. If you've tried these techniques and your dog is still barking excessively, it may be helpful to seek the advice of a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can help identify the underlying cause of the barking and develop a customized training plan to address the behavior. It's important to remember that it may take time and patience to train your dog to stop barking excessively. Be consistent in your approach and seek professional help if necessary.